Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel where we explore delicious and healthy food options that make your life easier and tastier. Today let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. It's the meal that sets the tone for the rest of your day, giving you the energy and nutrients you need to tackle whatever comes your way. We all need a quick and healthy way to start our mornings, especially when we're rushing out the door. But finding something that's both nutritious and convenient can be a challenge. That's where overnight oats come in. These little jars of goodness are a game changer for busy mornings. They're all the rage, and for good reason. Overnight oats are not just a trend, they're a practical solution for anyone looking to eat healthier without spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Overnight oats are a breeze to make. You don't need any special skills or equipment, just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of planning. You just mix oats with your favorite milk and yogurt and let them chill in the fridge overnight. You can even add a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. That's it, no cooking required. Just let the fridge do its magic while you sleep. Not only are they easy, but they're also packed with good stuff. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Oats are a good source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. They also help in maintaining healthy digestion. Plus, you can add all sorts of healthy toppings like fruits, which add natural sweetness and a burst of vitamins. Nuts and seeds are great for adding crunch and extra nutrients like healthy fats and protein. You can customize your oats to suit your taste and nutritional needs. So, if you're looking for a delicious and convenient breakfast that will fuel your day, look no further than overnight oats. They're versatile, nutritious, and incredibly easy to prepare. Let's get started and make your mornings better. Making overnight oats couldn't be simpler. Grab your favorite jar or container. For every half cup of rolled oats, add half a cup of milk and half a cup of yogurt. That's the basic recipe. Easy, right? Now for the fun part, customizing your oats with your favorite flavors. Here's where you can get creative. The flavor possibilities are endless. For a classic taste, add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup and some fresh berries. Feeling adventurous? Try peanut butter and banana slices. Chocolate lovers can stir in cocoa powder and chocolate chips. Or go tropical with mango chunks and a sprinkle of coconut flakes. Section 4. Top it off. The grand finale. Toppings are the best part. They add texture, flavor, and a visual appeal to your breakfast bowl. Fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or peaches are always a great choice. For a bit of crunch, sprinkle on some chopped nuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds. A dollop of nut butter or a sprinkle of granola can add even more flavor and texture. Section 5. Storing and serving. Keeping it fresh and yummy. In this section, we'll guide you through the best practices to ensure your overnight oats stay delicious and fresh. Once you've assembled your overnight oats, cover your jar or container tightly. This step is crucial to prevent any unwanted odors or flavors from seeping in. Store it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. The longer they sit, the more the flavors meld together, creating a delightful breakfast experience. They'll keep well for up to 5 days. This makes them perfect for meal prepping, allowing you to have a nutritious breakfast ready to go throughout the week. When you're ready to eat, give your oats a good stir. This helps to redistribute any settled ingredients and ensures a consistent texture. If they seem a bit thick, add a splash of milk or yogurt to loosen them up. This not only adjusts the consistency but also adds an extra layer of creaminess. You can enjoy them cold straight from the fridge, which is perfect for a quick and refreshing breakfast on a busy morning. Or, if you prefer a warm meal, you can warm them up in the microwave for a minute or two. This makes them versatile for any season or personal preference. Section 6. Ready, set, overnight oats. Your breakfast adventure awaits. Imagine waking up to a ready-made, delicious breakfast that requires no morning prep. That's the magic of overnight oats, so there you have it. Overnight oats are a delicious, nutritious, and incredibly convenient way to start your day. Just mix your favorite ingredients the night before and let the refrigerator do the rest. With endless flavor combinations and topping options, you can customize them to your liking and never get bored. From fresh fruits and nuts to chocolate chips and honey, the possibilities are truly endless. Join the overnight oats craze and discover a world of flavor and convenience. Whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a leisurely morning, overnight oats fit seamlessly into any routine. Your taste buds and your busy mornings will thank you. Happy breakfasting. So why not give it a try? Embrace the simplicity and joy of overnight oats and transform your mornings into a delightful experience.